Avi Makasahid from DSTM2C. I'm going to present to you a fine dining sequence. Mabuhay! Magandang umaga! Welcome to our Amara's Restaurant. Ma'am, do you have any reservations?
Yes.
May I suggest a table for you? For how many first?
One only.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking.
This way, please. Are you comfortable with your seat, ma'am?
Yes, thanks.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Arvi Makasaet and I will be your server for today. I will make sure that your service needs will be taken care of.
Thank you.
May I lay the table napkin for you, ma'am? For a while, I just get some water for you, ma'am. Here, your cold water, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our menu for your selection, ma'am? If you are ready, ma'am, may I take your order? Or just call me, ma'am, if you are ready for your order.
Take my order now.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? 1 lasagna and 1 orange juice. Excuse me, ma'am. May I complete your table appointments? This is lasagna. And this is orange juice. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your plate?
Yes, sure. Bill out, please.
Here's your bill, ma'am. Your bill is 620 pesos.
Here.
I received 620 pesos. Please wait your change and your receipt. Here's your change, ma'am. Thank you for coming and see us again.